Hey guys, so Michelle925 asked me to do another tutorial, a airplane tutorial. So like what I would carry or like what I would do on an airplane. She sent me a pic. Unfortunately, I can't really post it up here, so I'm just gonna start. So number one, what I would carry on the plane would be one simple pellet. I would probably carry my NYC 8188 Union Square palette. A really quick, like, cream pencil eyeshadow. And then, instead of liquid, pen would be nice. Or even a pencil would be better. Well, I don't know about better, but depends on what you guys use. I'm not sure. I don't always use my eyelash curler, but I carry it around with me anyways everywhere I go. Because you never know, you might need it. And then definitely mascara. This works really well. No clumps whatsoever, so I suggest you guys to get it. Yeah, it's Rimmel's Lash Max at Walgreens. Right now they're having a sale. This is originally like a $9 price, but it's for $5, so it's so cheap. And then always lip balm from mine's from Blistex. And then my lip shine or lip stain or whatever you guys use, and always a lip gloss. And then my eyeshadow. Well, what am I saying? My eye drops. And my one blush. You can't really use it, or you can't really see it when you apply it on your face. But I still carry it around because I sometimes use it as eyeshadow. So let's get started. Just using the things I've showed you. A quick airplane makeup. I would first start off with my cream eyeshadow as a base for my eyes. So literally just go all over your lid. And it's all shiny. So just pat it down with your finger. And Michelle925, in the picture you sent me, she had like it wasn't very pink, but it was pretty neutral. Or, I don't know, it was really natural, but very, like, if I can describe it in fruits, it would be strawberry. Yeah, so I'm gonna use my blush. It's like a baby pink, but when you apply it on your eyes, it's not that pink. So I'm just gonna start applying it a bit over the crease. Just a little bit up to my hollow. And then I will basically just sort of blend it with my finger. And next I would use, I don't know, the plane might be shaking, the plane might not be shaking. If you're well balanced or not, it depends. But I'm gonna go ahead this time and just use my pencil eyeliner and not my pen. So it's in dark brown. And just a quick and easy way to do is just the end. See, because if you do the half of your eye, like from the middle to the end outwards, it looks more natural and it's quicker to do. So I'm just gonna do just the outer half, and do the same with this part. And sort of pat it and blend it with your fingers. And I'm not sure if you guys use eyeliner on the bottom or not. Unfortunately, I do not, so I won't be doing that. And then from the palette I would bring, there is this gold color. I'm gonna try to take some and apply it right here, and it's gonna brighten up my eyes. Just like that. And lastly is lips. Oh wait, no, haha, just kidding. Mascara. So I usually don't curl my lashes, but this is what the brush looks like. It's like literally not a normal mascara. It's in a brush form. So when you apply it on your lashes, there's no clumps whatsoever, so it's so easy to use. Basically, it feels like you're combing your lashes. So easy to use, so now that we're done with lashes, the last thing we do is lips. Number 1, lip balm. Woohoo! And then it's your choice if you want to use lip balm or lip stain. I'm gonna use lip balm because it's actually easier to use. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. I would also always, very important, always carry around Q-tips. Because if you mess up on your mascara, Q-tips are amazing and they take away your mascara smudges and everything. I don't know how they do it. They just take it away. So I already have some color on here, and just apply it on my lips because it's like a brush form, so it's really easy to use. Unlike lip gloss. Yeah, so this is it. Guys enjoyed. Looks like this. You can barely see the pink. It might be the lighting. Yeah, that's practically it. Sorry if you guys couldn't really see well. You know what? Just because you guys can't see, I'm gonna add a bit more. You guys see now? Oh yeah. Bye.